Coco. Hey! That's a Christine boy.
Hey, I want this door, Jesus. Story come to bump. All of the Jamaican know when you find a fight for Donald Trump. They never know who will win. The news mash up them brain. And when they check Facebook and see them a search to it all on train. Me have one cousin named Jim over there. Every time we try to call him, he's phone turn off. See, they know. They must send him right out there. Because him dig up a farm or run off. They must send him right back there. We only close on him back. I would even look on him when he reach. He better prepare for the shop. You know it's sweet me want go on. Trump send them home in the boxes. Time to get them a snag. Hear them now. Oh dear, I just paid my taxes. I know Trump wanna do it. Me and say Ali Queen, she a send people home. Me don't go up in the party, them come back with sweet and iPhone. Visa can't get again. For Trump say them a give out too plenty. And what year me brother might be the third time. And me couldn't even get single entry. Me